Hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to share with you my new flashlight. I absolutely like it. It provides a lot of looms. This is the Olight Warrior 3. Powerful dual switch tactical flashlight. So, I've already opened it. Wanted to make sure it was charged before I made the video. Put everything back in the box, but I'm going to open it for you so you can see what's inside. It does come with this nice little holster for the flashlight, which I think that was nice. Push down right here, open it up, out comes the flashlight. Again, I really like this flashlight. It has a clip on it. Here's the bottom. Here's the bottom where you push the button. Turn the flashlight on. Here's another button right here to turn the side, to turn the light on. That's the low beam. Let's turn the light off. See how it is? That's low beam. Also, when you use the side button, you see how it lights up. That's the high beam. Very powerful on the high beam. I really like that. Now at the top part, you open it. Like that. Out comes the battery. This is the battery that comes with it. Just thought I would show you. There. Now let me move everything out of the way. Turn the light off one more time so you can see how bright it is or how dim it is. Okay, so there's the low. There's the bright or high, whichever you want to call it. I think it's very bright. I had it outside one night, turned it on, and it went all the way across the yard, but I wanted to show you in the dark how it does. One thing I will say is that when you turn the high on, it tends to get a little warm right here. But other than that, I really like this flashlight. I do like the looms on it, but just to let you know where I have my fingers at right here, it does get a little bit warm. It's not actually hot, it's just a little bit warm, so I wouldn't really be concerned about it. I just wanted to tell you. But I am an Olight fan. I do like them once I've discovered them. And again, just wanted to show you the little pouch that comes with it. Put the flashlight back in there like this. Or actually the other way, excuse me. Put it back in like this. Go like that. And there you have it. So, I guess they put this over here to protect it so it won't just pop open. Here you can put your belt hoop through it, or you can unsnap it, depending how you want to do it. I have this on here, I guess, if you want to attach something, hang it up. Like that. But, again, also, here's the charger for it. Here's the manual. One thing I do like about Olight manuals, they're very informative. You can read up on it. See on there it has a picture, tells you what's in the box. Again, I'd just like to say thank you for watching my video on the Olight Warrior 3 flashlight. If you enjoyed watching my video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please type them down below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please think about subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.